This is Yapusuma again for new month. Just watch quickly how the birds are drinking water, and also some are showering there. That is water. I'm at Dependence Park on Desa Swakopmund, Namibia. Just watch the sparrow birds, how they are drinking their water. They are coming one by one, enjoying that water from that tap. Yeah, you can see how they're enjoying. Some of them, they're afraid to be shower, but some of the others are not afraid. They're enjoying the showering. They're enjoying the showering. You can see the other one shaking the wings. But I can shower, but I drink a lot. Yeah, you can see those three enjoying the fresh water. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like it. As a new YouTuber, I'm back again, and this time I'm going for fauna and flora, birds, wild animal, plants, pets, but only educative YouTube. Yeah, this one is a sparrow birds. Also, for those who do not know, we identify these birds, that black collar in the neck, or on the neck, on the chest part, coming from the neck downwards to the chest part. There's actually another name which they used to call it, only that I forget. Just have a look on this one. Yeah, you can see what I mean. Yeah, the other body part underneath there, the length is just white part, and it's brown on top or on the wings side. Yeah, you can see that is what we call a sparrow birds. Yeah, and only in my language. Let me go back in a cherry a bit. On the ranjiri on janja kaderang uderambu umburi there on janjanu don derand or drop a comment ambo, or you can put in English and you can translate even in a Chiherero. Chiherero is one of the language which most people speak in Namibia. Yeah, you can see there are four. Other one is chasing the other one. Others. They fly away. They're afraid something. Okay, let me come back again. But don't forget that I'm still Yapusuma, and a new Namibian YouTuber, which is going to entertain you and educate you. Sharp.